Hi guys, I'm Luciana Virgilio, and today you're going to learn how to make Argentinian chicken empanadas. These empanadas are going to be really good. Your family's going to love it, and this is a good recipe to do on a Friday night or Saturday night, and you can serve it with pizzas or any other appetizers. So let's go to the ingredients. You're going to need 500 milligrams of chicken breast. Boil it for about 20 minutes. You also going to need 2 chopped onions, 1 red bell pepper, 2 cans of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of the black pepper. I mix it with that. And you're also going to need 3 boiled eggs. Let's put everything on the stove and I'll show you what's next. And here we are. So you're gonna put the stove at a medium heat, and you're also gonna put like 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And the first thing you're gonna add is the onion and the bell pepper. You're gonna let it cook for about 7 minutes, and after that, you're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. Hi, welcome back. So what I did is I put the stove at a medium heat, and I put the onions and red bell pepper, and I cooked it about 5 to 7 minutes until the onions is like transparent color. So after you do that, you're gonna go ahead and add the chicken. And right after that, since the chicken is already cooked, right after that, you're gonna go ahead and add the tomato sauce. Trust me, you're gonna love this. And what we're gonna do, since it's a lot of chicken, what you can do is you can also add a whole cup of water, and the chicken is gonna absorb all that amount of water. Okay, so the next step I did, I removed all the ingredients from the stove, and I put it here in a serving tray. And now we're gonna add the eggs. And this is the last step you're gonna do. So what I did is I removed the ingredients from the stove, I put it in a serving tray, and now I'm gonna show you how they look. This is what you wanna see. I left it in the fridge for about 30 to 35 minutes. And now I'm gonna show you how to make an empanada with the dough I did on a different video that you can see. It's super easy. There are only a couple ingredients that you need. And let me show you how we can make this. So you're gonna grab about kind of like this, like spoon. And then you're also gonna need a little bit of water, and you can go all the way around. And now you're gonna close it like this together. And you make sure you press well. And once you have it like this, you can always put it like in a plate or in a board like this, and you can go like this. If it's too hard for you, I understand. It's kind of easy for me because I'm from Argentina and I'm so used to do this. But if it's a little hard to do that, you can always do, and let's make one with a fork. So we're gonna get another one, and I'll show you the easy way. Once you close it like this, you're gonna press down all the way around. And this is good as well when you do different kinds of empanadas. You can also do a different way to close it to make a difference of the flavor. So we can do it, I'm gonna do couple fried, and I also gonna do another ones in the oven, and I'll show you what's the differences. So on the meantime, you're gonna preheat the oven at 375, and we're gonna do some in the oven and some we're gonna deep fry. So I'll show you the final results in a minute. Okay, and let me show you the final results of the chicken empanadas. So this ones I did it deep fried, and only until they get golden brown like this. Show you real quick. And then these ones I did it at 375 in the oven. So what I did is I actually spray the pan and put the empanadas for about 35 minutes until they were done. So you actually have to, oh, and you have two options. You can either paint them with yolk, or what I did with this ones, so you can see the color, is I just paint them with a little bit of water on top so they don't get dry out. And that's it, we're all done. So I hope you like my video and subscribe. I want to stay eating the empanadas. So good.